So I'm going to walk you through the tool really quick. I'm going to make some card decks and show you how to create them. And I'm also going to share them with you. So get your phones ready so that you can enter in it soon. So you can see the tool here on the screen, correct? I'm going to create a new session. So I'm setting this up, and basically I want our session to be about the current crisis that's happening right now, how we can change the world for good after we have survived this and after this is all over. So that's why I'm calling it not going back to normal, because we're not going back, hopefully not going back to all of the same problems that we had before. So I made my title. So the next part is giving a description to your card deck, and this is really important for the machine. To set it up, the machine needs to have a really good understanding of the kind of things that you want to explore. So I've already written something. Just going to copy it. There it is. There's my description. So I'm just asking, how might we use this current global health crisis to make the previously unthinkable a potential reality? Virus is not able to initiate a massive self-evaluation that politics could not. And so on. So this is my description. And now I'm going to do the most essential step, which is building the brain of our machine. And this is what the machine uses to... Is there somebody who's trying to join? Sorry, guys. No, it's good. Okay.
Yeah, it's me.
Oh, hi. So I'm doing what is so important for the machine to understand the world is I'm going to give it 3 articles that are around this topic, and it's almost as if this is all the machine knows about the world, and it's going to use everything it reads here to make the card deck. So I already have some articles in mind. This one is by Politico, and I'm going to put it here. This one is a really nice essay called The Coronation by Charles Eisenstein, and here it goes. And then this is a Naomi Klein article from The Guardian. So all very thoughtful authors that will hopefully make a very good card deck. So now I'm going to generate. And generating takes a moment because we have to give it some time to think, just maybe a few seconds. So basically, the process that happened is that I've set up this card deck, and this is what the machine will use. That title, it will use that description, and it will use those 3 articles to make this card deck that I will share with you momentarily. Some ways that you can interact with it is swiping through cards, typical, but you can also click on the words of the card deck. And you can also save cards. I'll show you shortly. So in the meantime, everyone's got their phone now, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I see them. Okay, cool. So I'm going to share this card deck with you. And if anybody's familiar with QR code, all you have to do is just take a photo of, well, not take a photo, but open up your camera and show it the QR code. So now I'm going to show you how you can play. Is everyone prepared? Here we go. All right, so here are the cards, my first set of cards. The blue ones are the concept cards, and it always uses this what if format. So you can flip through them, and you can also click on these words to make a sentence. So I'm going to make something that triggers me, something that I think is inspiring. What if a disaster interact correlations confront a short lifespan, a magical lifespan. Okay, I like that. So I'm going to save it. I just saved by clicking the little light bulb at the bottom. And I can keep going, I can keep saving, but I want to show you also the next set of cards. The red ones use this Mad Lib format. And again, you can play and you can save. the coronavirus humanity act. That makes binarities, an international, global.
So Monique, it's not possible to type your word into.
It is possible. If you're on a phone and you tap and hold a word, you can change it.
Just on the phone.
If you're on desktop, you have to right click. Right click and hold.
Okay, cool.
So here. A global. Well, order for every aspect of the globe. Okay, so I've saved two, and after I've saved a couple, I can go into my insights, and I should see some of the things that were saved, and people have been saving. Cool. What if an endless evolution was a price shift? That's pretty cool. So these black cards are very magical. The black card is what happens after you saved a few. The machine will read them, and it will try to remix the things that you've saved and that you like the most and make a new statement or question out of that.